The DWG Compare feature, introduced last release, has been improved based on your feedback, so that you can compare and make changes in real time. Now when you select the drawing you want to compare to the current drawing, the differences are displayed right in the current drawing. Using the new toolbar, you can quickly toggle on and off the comparison. When you make changes to the current drawing, the differences are highlighted in real time. Select the objects from the compared drawing and import them into the current drawing in real time. Any objects you import will automatically turn gray, indicating the objects now exist in both drawings. You can also export both drawings to a new snapshot drawing that combines the differences between both drawings. The snapshot drawing is the same as a drawing compare in previous releases. And when you select Exit Compare, the differences are no longer displayed.